everybody, and we're still looking at the business section. We folded it down to the bottom section half of the paper, of the business section of the Sunday paper, and we're going to take a look at this here: American workers take a little more time off. So let's go through that, and we'll go ahead and start. Let me pause real quick, get ready for this. Okay, so it's by Corlin Shirosphere. Okay, it says for the first time in years, Americans in 2017 kicked back and took more time off from work, but just a few hours more. Okay, so that's the first paragraph, and we'll paraphrase later. Let's just go through the article. So then he goes on to say, workers on average took 17.2 days of vacation last year, an increase of about half a day compared with 2016, according to a recent survey of 4,439 workers. That's the most vacation time taken since 2010, and it's more than a full day from when vacation time bottomed out at 16 days in 2014, according to the Project Time Off Coalition, which is backed by a group of traveling industry organizations. So let's go ahead. So you take a little breath, and you just kind of like, as you read, say you're called on to read something, you know what I mean? And so you stop and wait, in whatever situation you're in, and you go on to read it further. So it says here, still, most Americans surveyed by the group squander their vacation time. More than half, 52%, didn't take all the vacation time. It's probably an error. They earned and and almost a quarter of workers said they hadn't taken a vacation in more than a year. And all surveyed workers left a total of 700 million vacation days unused last year, compared with 662 million days in 2016, according to the report released Tuesday. In 2017, surveyors on average earned 23.2 vacation days, compared with 22.6 days in 2016. Work pressures largely are caused of unused vacation time. The survey found employees were concerned that vacation would make them appear dispensable, or less dedicated were less likely to use all their vacation time. A survey last year by job website Glassdoor found that many workers were still in contact with the office while they're using their paid time off. 29% contacted by a coworker, up from 24% in 2014. And 1 in 4 said their boss contacted them. The Glassdoor survey covered 2,224. Okay, so that's that article, and that's everybody's style of reading is different. And if you paraphrase each article, so for instance, you take this one here. For the first time in years, Americans in 2017 kicked back and took more time off work, but just a few hours more. So that's basically saying they took more time off from work, but only a few hours more. So if you paraphrase that one little paragraph, 2 sentences, you can see that they're basically saying, saying that only a few more hours were taken off, which means very little time was taken off in relation to just time off in general. So you can tell right there, they're basically saying Americans took more time off, but just a little bit, just hours. And that's basically nothing. And that's how you paraphrase an article. So we'll just go ahead and stop there, and we'll continue a little bit later.